Good morning, class 7 students. We are doing chapter number 1, environment, and our next topic is natural environment. Land, water, air, plants, animals compromises the natural environment. I have explained you in this diagram also. Natural environment consists of land, living thing, air and water. You are familiar with the meaning of the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere from your previous classes. Class 7, you have read about the lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere in the previous class also. Now also we are going to discuss this. What is lithosphere? It is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. If I define lithosphere, the hard top layer of the earth, see it's given over here in the diagram. The hard top layer of the earth, which is made up of rocks, minerals and are covered with thin layer of soil. This is the definition of lithosphere. It is irregular surface with various landforms such as mountain, plateaus, plain and valleys, etc. Landforms are found over the continent and also on the ocean floor. See in this diagram, you can see it's given domain of environment, page number 3. Lithosphere, here there is minerals also, there are mountain also, plateaus also, you can see the houses also. These are this is the top layer of the earth and this is considered as lithosphere. This is known as lithosphere. Lithosphere is the domain that provide us forest. In lithosphere only we have the forest, grasslands and gazing and grasslands for gazing, land for agriculture and human settlement. It is also a source of mineral wealth. In lithosphere only we will get minerals, we will get land for gazing, we will get land for agriculture. This is all the part of lithosphere. Lithosphere, if I ask you, is the topmost layer of the earth where rocks, minerals and covered with thin layer of the soil. It is irregular. Plateaus, mountain, plains are found in the lithosphere. Clear class? The domain, next is hydrosphere. The domain of water is refers as hydrosphere. See in this diagram, you can see water. It is the hydrosphere. It is comprised various sources of water and different types of water bodies like river, lakes, sea, ocean. So all these are the sea, river, water are the part of hydrosphere. It is essential for all living organisms. As you know that for living, how much water is important for the living organism, and it is all present in the hydrosphere layer of the earth where there are river, lake, sea and ocean. Atmosphere. See, it's given over here. Atmosphere is the thin layer of the air that surrounds the earth. The gravitational forces of the earth holds the atmosphere around it. If I ask you in the fill in the blanks, the question can be the gravitational force of the earth. Which layer the gravitational force has been found on the earth? It's the atmosphere, which holds the atmosphere. It protects us from the harmful rays and scorching heats of the sun. Atmosphere protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. It consists of number of gases, dust and water vapors. Student question can be asked. These are the features or characteristics of the atmosphere. How atmosphere is important? It protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. It consists of gases, dust and water vapors. The change in the atmosphere produces change in the weather and climate. If there is change in the atmosphere layer of the earth, then there will be change in the weather also and climatic condition of the country. Now we have the biosphere. See, here it's given biosphere. Here is lithosphere, here is hydrosphere, atmosphere and the biosphere. You can see mountain, animals or not. This is biosphere. Plant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It's a narrow zone of the earth where land, water and air intersect with each other and supports life. This will be easily explained through this diagram. See this circle, it's dotted line. Biosphere is given. It consists of water also, land also, mountain also, and where animal is been gazing. So it is the interconnection of where plants, animals live together. So which is the layer? It is biosphere. Ant and animal kingdom together make biosphere or the living world. It is a narrow zone of the earth that where land, water and air intersect with each other to support life. So it is done on the on biosphere only. Thank you, class.